Let's review some of our bugs. What bug is this one? A bug, yes. And what's this one? Yes, butterfly. Very good. What's this one? Yes, grasshopper. That's right. And caterpillar, caterpillar. You are so fast at these now. Beetle, beetle, and our slug. Yes. Do you see its hole in its body? Very good. All right, go ahead and grab a different instrument today than you used last time. I'm going to grab a shaker. Do you have a shaker? What kind of instrument do you have? Oh, I love that one. Look closely. Ready? Pick up your instrument. Here we go. Beetle, beetle, slug. Very good. Notice we play each card once instead of twice. Okay, let's do it again. Here we go. Beetle, beetle, slug. Ooh, that slug is fun to play. I love that one. Let's do two different ones. Ready? Let's do a caterpillar, caterpillar, and a grasshopper. Okay, pick up your instrument. Here we go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, grasshopper, grasshopper. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, grasshopper, grasshopper. Well done. I love playing these bugs with you.